What's going on, guys? This is Scorpion Links Games. I think I'm going to put this on the Scorpion Links Games channel. Honestly, I don't know yet. I just literally thought that off the top of my head. But we're going to be returning to a what the crap kind of a game. I don't know why, but I just kind of suddenly felt a little inspired to just re-download this again. See, this was my favorite one. In fact, I only played the first two, and then it started to get cringy after that. But you know what? For the sake of it, I think I'm going to play this. You guys can't hear the audio. Very unfortunate. Because I have this really crappy screen editor, or video thingy. So, we're just going to go ahead and get started. Honestly, just to get things interesting, I'm going to just continue with Night 3. I was just playing this, just for fun. Because I was like, yeah, why not? So now I'm just going to resume what I was doing. Kind of a shame you can't hear the audio, so this might be a little boring. But let's see here. But yeah, basically, I used to know how to play this game pretty dang well, because this was kind of my favorite one. So now we're just doing it again, and I'm trying to learn it over again, because I remember there were a few quirks about this game. It's like, oh, you gotta do this, wind that up. So remember you. Oh crap! Well, that just kind of surprised me. I didn't get scared. It just surprised me. Forgot about that. Well, this is going to be a fun video. We're already starting off at a good note. Kind of forgot. I remember now. Night 3 starts off with Foxy in the hallway. Man, too bad you guys can't hear the audio. You'd be able to hear the cool background sounds. Honestly, I'm not going to lie. One thing this game gets right is the audio. I'll tell you that. It's just kind of an honesty thing. Also, you guys don't even know how many. I pressed escape on my keyboard so many times playing this earlier. I mean, I've only been playing for the past like 20 minutes. I got to Night 3. I'm like, I might make a video, because I haven't made a video in a while. So I thought it's kind of time to make a video. You know what? Oh, might put this on the main channel, to be honest. Scorpion Links Game's kind of dead. Alright, I think it's gone. Let's roll that up. Yeah, this is the night where all these spooky guys start coming out. All the broken ones. Alright, everyone's here. That thing's there. This, might as well. Why not? Balloon Boy's there. Oh, I hear something. There's Foxy. Well, you can always tell where Mangle is just by the audio. I kind of hope Balloon Boy is not like right in here, because I heard a hello. Too bad you guys can't hear this. Oh, I hear some intense music. That means it might be like, yep, right in front of me. Gotta spam that control key. I think we're good. Might as well wind this up. I don't know where Balloon Boy is, and that's concerning. There he is. Sorry, it looks like I'm looking down the whole time, by the way. My monitor's huge, super huge, and I have the keyboard, not the keyboard, but the webcam on top of it, and looks like I'm looking down, but I'm looking straight right now. Oh man. Oh, I hear some intense music. This might be jump scare time. Yep, there's a thing. There's Balloon Boy once again. Any of these guys? Yep. Bonnie, whatever his name is left. Oh, look at it's the creepy one. Just gotta flash your light at it. That's how you get rid of it. Oh, what's going on? Something's going on. And the music box. Uh-oh, I hear pipe banging sounds. That means... Oh, that guy's there. That's not good. Please leave. Alright, he's gone. Oh, there's that. Gotta do that. Come on. That thing's there. This thing needs to be winded up. Oh crap. That's not good. Oh. Well, I'm gonna give it one more try. And if I don't do it, I'm gonna call it quits. Well, for this video anyway. Oh boy. 6 minutes in, and I don't know where we left off. Oh well. Yeah, this game kind of requires a lot of attention. I'll tell you that. Wind that up. Alright. So far so good. Honestly, I don't really want to waste my battery. And you can just kind of tell by audio visuals. Oh. Yep. Yep, it's here. Yep. You can just tell with the audio in the background if they're there sometimes. You guys remember when I made a Minecraft map of this? And it's now still my most popular video? Maybe I should do a video where I revisit that. Maybe I should do an actual, like, thing in that map. I mean, I have a Minecraft server. I could just, like, upload it to that for, like, a little bit and, like, say, alright, guys, let's just have fun. It's a good map. Greenfield City. Good map. Also, join my Minecraft server. Axis modded. Good server. Alright, I'll stop. Just gotta spam the crap out of the control key. Alright. That's usually how they get out of there. You gotta spam the key. Alright. 1 a.m. Bonnie, the bunny, is out. Yep, there it is. Isn't that the thing that just jump scared me last time? I'll admit, that first one caught me off guard. That second one, eh. But the first one, I kind of didn't expect that to be happening right away. Alright. Something's going wrong. That guy's there. I heard Balloon Boy say hello. That's not good. I hear pipe banging sounds. Oh. Alright. Oh, Freddy. Ooh. Everyone's face is in the camera today. Uh-oh. Alright. Somebody must be in the hallway. Yep, that guy. Spam the crap out of that, and I see this thing needs to be wound up. Honestly, I don't think it... Oh. Alright. Please don't. Please go away. I don't think I've ever been scared by this puppet thing. That's what I was trying to say. I'm pretty dang good about winding that thing up. It's kind of the only reason, really, sometimes to turn this on. Other than that, you really just need to pay attention to what's around you. Uh-oh. I hear Balloon Boy laughing. That's no good. In fact, yeah, because he's right there. And, oh, those both are right there. Let's wind this up quick before we get jump scared by one of them. Alright. There's that guy. I'm gonna be honest with you, the reason I'm playing this is because, Gmod. I recently got back into Gmod, and, we added a bunch of Five Nights at Freddy's stuff just for the heck of it, just kinda why not. And I was like, you know what? I kinda wanna play that. I haven't played this since, like, 2015, so... Ooh. That's fun. Well, that's what makes the video. I think that might be it. Because, yeah. I'm also running out of my time limit because this is a free screen recorder that I literally just downloaded for the sake of this video. So, yeah, guys. If you liked, might do more of these kind of videos. I don't know. Returning to old games that I used to do a lot more of on this channel. Because, you know, back in the day, well, Scorpion Links Games existed too. I used to make more gaming videos. Nowadays, I don't even know what my channel is, honestly. My channel's just kind of BS nonsense right now. I am definitely trying to head it in the direction of lightsabers, airsoft kind of content. Lego, definitely Lego. And maybe an occasional video like this. Just kind of, what I'm really trying to do is bring back Scorpion Links era, like, content, what I mean is just random crap. And I kind of like random crap videos sometimes. It's good. I mean, look at successful random crap people like Airsoft Fatty. He's a good example. But people like him, that's who I strive to be with this channel. And I'm trying to return. By the way, oh, Airsoft gun. I don't know if you see it. Brody helmet. Got that. But that's unrelated. And I'm dragging the video on in terms of time. So yeah, guys. I will see you in the next video, whenever that may be, and yeah, see ya. Subscribe, because why not? Good channel, good content's coming out soon. We're going to have some pretty dang good stuff soon, but yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, see ya.